This is Bharatpur, also known as Eastern Gate of Rajasthan. Located in the Braj region, Bharatpur is about 180 kilometers from Delhi. In 1733, Maharaja Surajmal built this city of Bharatpur. The city was carved out of Mewat region and got its name from Bharat, younger brother of Lord Sri Ram. The city has got a small population, about 1.2 million people. For the last 2 or 3 decades, Bharatpur's name has been synonymous with Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, or now known as the Keladeo Ghana National Park. The sanctuary is named after Keladeo, or Shiva temple within its boundaries. The park offers well-defined treks which can be covered either on foot, bicycle, rickshaw, or even a horse cart. The rickshaw pullers are well trained in bird watching and they make for extremely knowledgeable guides. Now let's grab our tickets to the park and get a cycle rickshaw. Our sightseeing rickshaw is number 58 and our guide is Sanjay Singh. The former duck hunting reserve of the Maharajas is one of the major wintering areas of large number of aquatic birds from Siberia, China, Turkmenistan and Afghanistan. The park was famous for its Siberian crane, but the last bird was seen in 2002. The park is a mosaic of grasslands, woodlands, swamps and wetlands and covers an area of 29 square kilometers. It was declared a protected sanctuary in 1971 and a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. Today there are about 370 species of bird in this park. Apart from the birds, the park encompasses 379 floral species, about 50 species of fish, 13 kinds of snake, 5 kinds of lizards, 7 amphibian species and 7 turtle species. You can also get to see about 75 species of butterflies in this park. Due to the strategic location in the middle of Central Asian Migratory Flyway and the presence of water and food, large congregations of ducks, geese, coots, pelicans and waders arrive here in winter. During the breeding season, the most spectacular heronry in the region is formed by 15 species of herons, ibis, cormorants, spoonbills and storks, wherein a well-flooded year over 20,000 birds nest here. Let's go and do some bird watching now. We are now returning after spending almost 3 hours in the national park. We are driving towards our farm stay, Ibis House Farm Stay, which is located in Mala village close to the park. The house belongs to Ratan Singh. He has worked in the park for about 25 years and he is a legend when it comes to bird watching. So it's no wonder we got to see this beautiful pair of Sarus cranes in the fields near his house. Watch these beautiful birds singing and dancing.